4 broken ribs, a punctured lung, and a laceration to his spleen, and he is still thinking about coming back to race. Now, obviously, that is the result of the crash of Jordan Smith in Arlington. If you missed it, it was rough. Uh, you gotta say, a good year for him, good year for the team, and then this just instantly painful. You can tell they took him out on a stretcher. Good job for the medical team for doing that. I mean, he was bad. That's bad. You think punctured lung and lacerated spleen, and well, obviously, no surprise here. He is going to be out for this weekend in Indianapolis. Posting on his Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it, today as I'm reading it, saying, quote, "I'm really bummed to not be lining up for Indy SX this weekend. This is the first Supercross I've missed in 4 years, and that's a huge bummer. I've done everything I can in my power to be ready since my crash in Arlington, but unfortunately, we are going to have to focus on getting back, which will hopefully be by Seattle." Now, obviously, it's insane to me to even think about it. I mean, you think about that broken ribs, punctured lung, lacerated spleen, and he's sitting there talking about getting back and racing. I mean, obviously, that's what these guys do. That is everything that they know and they've done since they were what kids, tiny. So it's no surprise to me that they want to do this, and especially for him, he was having a really good year. I think coming into Arlington, if I remember correctly, he was like, yeah, he was second in points behind Beaumer by only like 2 or 3, something like that. And obviously, coming out of Arlington, he crashed in the first race, so he earned nothing for the night. And at the moment, he is fifth in points, 85 behind Shimoda, Davies, Beaumer, and Deegan. And obviously, Indy being a East-West shootout, it'd be the race that you probably really want to go to because, it's just everyone. You get to match yourself against everybody racing. It's not just the coast you're on. It's, overall, let's see where you fall against everybody. And well, with this year, a lot of people are injured, so it's going to be a pretty thin field when you really think about it. And a lot of the people even riding are going to be injured, so who knows? I mean, it sucks for him. Obviously, the first podium for the team, the first win for the team, and it's showing that that bike, the Triumph in its second year is a competitive seat. It is something that you as a rider are going to want to get that ride, get that bike, get on that team. And, who knows, the 450 is going to be hopefully just as good. And there's another factory squad for people to be on. And for him, I mean, it was a good move over from the Yamaha to the Triumph, and it proved that he is a competitive guy. He is right at the top as he, well, I mean, technically as he should be. He's not a, he's not one of the younger guys. Was he got to be in his mid 20s? Somebody tell me in the comments below. Well, I can correct myself. He's 30. He's been in the 250 class for a very long time, even longer than I thought. But I mean, it sucks. Obviously, 75% of that team now is seriously injured or out for the year, or it's just not a good look. I mean, this year in general, just absolutely insane with how many people are getting hurt, injured, crashes, and it is racing. It is what it is, and I don't know. But hopefully he can. I mean, if he's planning on coming back for Indy, that would be big. I don't know if he actually will make it or how well he'll do, with those. I mean, broken ribs aren't going to be healed by the time that comes around, but that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Should he be done for the year? Do you think he's going to be back for Indy? I mean, obviously uh, missing this round. Oh no, not coming. He'll be back for Seattle. Sorry, I said that wrong. He'll be missing Indy, so he'll be even farther down on the point. So there's no real reason for him to even come back. But I don't know. You guys tell me, comment down below. Are you excited for the East West shootout? What do you think of these, those setups? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. It really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.